On this episode, we're preparing a super simple dinner, grilled Omilu and crispy fried Halalu. You're gonna wanna stick around for the secret age-defying ingredient. What a gorgeous day today. At the bay, what do you say? The bay that Uncle Clyde gives the okay to display the most prestigious surfing contest to be underway. Hooray! Oh, thankfully the waves aren't as huge this time of year, and we're working on catching dinner. The fish we're after is called Halalu. The English name is big eye scad, aji in Japanese, and mataan in the Philippines. Whatever you choose to call them, they are delicious tasting. Halalu can be prepared 100 different ways, and also the method to catch them is extremely varied. Today's fishing method is a classic Hawaii whipping technique. The rig, consisting of 3-pound fluorocarbon leader, a small gold hook with a little red bead, and a strip of clear green plastic. We're only going to catch what we need for dinner. Sharing a few with the neighbors, they'll be stoked. Also, we were lucky to catch a couple Omilus or bluefin trevallies. They put up a stellar fight on light tackle and they taste amazing. Arguably, one of the most beautiful reef fish we have. And this is what they look like right out of the water. This one was caught a few weeks prior. Look at the beautiful colors of this fish. So please, come and join us as we get ready to cook up some fresh fish. Alright, we're back at home. The plan is to make a super simple dinner. We're going to start by cleaning the fish, removing the scales, and cutting down the middle to remove the guts. Don't you throw away the guts now. They can make a fabulous dish. Future episode coming. Rinse fish under cool water to remove blood. The blood will give the fish a fishy taste. Sometimes that taste is desired, but not today. Pat the fish dry with a clean paper towel, making sure to dry inside the body cavity. Let's start by scoring the fish's skin. Making shallow cuts in this Omilu will prevent it from curling when cooked. The scoring also helps with even cooking, and it helps get seasoning into the meat. But buyer beware. The act of scoring the fish has the possibility of slightly drying out the fish. This is due because fish have a fat layer under their skin, and when scored, the fat is released. So please, only do shallow incisions. This is going to be a super simple dinner, guys. Let's start with fresh cracked pepper, sea salt, and massage as we go. Remember to always season both sides of the fish and inside the body cavity. We recently went to the farmer's market and picked up some green onion. Let's stuff the fish with it. Let's place about 5 stalks in the cavity. This will diffuse delicious flavor into the meat. Let's add olive oil to the fish to prevent sticking. Always massage as you go. And for the Halalu, all we'll do is score it and put salt and pepper. Alright, let's get cooking. Add vegetable oil to a pan, heat on medium-high. We're using a cast iron skillet, which helps maintain the cooking temperature. Drop in the Halalu one by one, careful not to crowd the pan. And for that beautiful Omilu, put it right on the grill. Ooh, and flip after 10 minutes. Let's check on the Halalu. We're looking for a crispy golden brown. Crispier the better, because we're looking to eat the bones and all. How is that Omilu looking? 20 minutes on the grill and it's done. Wow, I wish you guys can just smell the aroma. The aromatics of the green onion and the fresh grilled fish is heavenly. And look at the Halalu. That crispy skin is mouth-watering. Alright, let's get ready to eat. We're almost there. Let's make a quick dipping sauce. We begin with Calamansi, a citrus fruit with a tart flavor, a staple in Filipino cuisine. Calamansi tastes like a combination of lemon, lime, and orange. Sour yet sweet, and is phenomenal paired with fresh fish. And is rich in antioxidants, which have anti-aging properties. Let me share a quick story with you. I used to work with a lady that she literally looked 20 years younger than her actual age. And no, I'm not exaggerating. When I asked her what her secret was, she said, every morning when I wake up, I drink a cup of hot water with a single calamansi. Seriously, that was her secret. And let's get back to the sauce. Let's add some of that chopped green onion. Let's add shoyu or soy sauce. This is gonna add umami taste. We go through a lot of shoyu at our house. Add equal parts to the calamansi juice. Now we're chopping up a fresh chili pepper and adding it to the dipping sauce. Alright guys, dinner is served. Let's go for that grilled Omilu. Look how moist that fish is. Please be careful for the bones. Let's try it with that calamansi dipping sauce. Oh guys, words can't even describe how amazing this tastes. Look how succulent that fish is. I'm gonna put the camera down and jump right in. What about the halalu fried so crispy you can eat the bones? We always go head first on this one. Oh, and it's amazing. Crispy, salty, crunchy. Oh, it's so good. Enough talking, guys. I'm gonna put the camera down and jump right in. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoy catching and eating halalu, check out these videos.